Hey, what's up everybody? It's Tuesday. We're gonna squat today, so let's get after it. We're gonna start out with a warm-up. The usual stuff here, we're gonna do dynamic range of motion. Be sure to check the video on that if you do not know what that is. Then we're gonna move into 3 rounds, 10 reps of any kind of pulling movement. You can do ring rows if you have those options. You can do pull-ups if you would like. You can do table pull-ups. You can grab a band across your feet and pull straight up. You can do weighted bent rows with your dumbbell or your kettlebell, or you can do upright rows with lighter dumbbells, lighter kettlebells. Then 10 kneeling unilateral dumbbell presses. You'll use the hand that's opposite of the knee that's up, press over the top, bring it back down for 10 reps. If you have a dumbbell that's too heavy, feel free to do some push-ups. Then 10 pass-throughs, preferably with a band if you have one, but go ahead and use a PVC pipe or a broomstick if you have that as well. Once we're done with our warm-up, we're gonna move right into the workout piece. For the folks with a barbell, we're gonna start off with front squats today. 5 sets of 5, but here's the kicker. It's gonna be a pause front squat. We'll do 5 seconds down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5 reps. The goal here is to add weight each set and work up to a heavy 5. If you have a rack, go ahead and use it. If you don't, no big deal. Just clean it from the ground. If you need to get yourself set before you actually front squat, go ahead and do that. For our minimal equipment people, we're still gonna squat today, but it'll be with a goblet squat. We're gonna grab a kettlebell or a dumbbell and do the same motion with a little bit added flair just to make it a little bit more tough. If we're using a kettlebell or a dumbbell today for the goblet squats, you'll get it into the goblet position. And we're gonna count 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seconds in the bottom. 3, 4, 5. Quarter squat up, back down, all the way up, then start it over. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quarter, down, up. If you have multiple kettlebells, feel free to start lighter and work up. If you just have one, no big deal. Let's start there. Same thing with a dumbbell. Now, for our body weight folks, let's grab something around the house. Anything you can think of that may add weight for a squat. We're gonna have the same structure as the folks with a goblet that are doing the goblet squat with a kettlebell or a dumbbell. My example of an odd object for you today would be a paint bucket. I could hold it just like this, go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5-second count in the bottom, 3, 4, 5, quarter squat up, back down, and up, and then back down into the movement. Whatever you decide to use today for your object, guess the weight of it. You can weigh it if you have a scale, and you can mark those in your app when you're done. Now we're ready to move on to the conditioning piece. Today's conditioning should be fun for you. It's 100 kettlebell or dumbbell hang snatches. As we go through this, every 5 reps, you'll switch sides. Every minute, you're gonna do 10 goblet squats with that weight. So that means you can't dilly-dally around with the reps. You're gonna have to move with it really good and stay solid. If you need help with a kettlebell snatch, be sure to check the video out for the particulars on that one. So on the body weight conditioning piece, the squat jumps will come down into the bottom, reach out, jump up after each questions, or if you want to ask questions every minute, you can make comments down there in the HomeWOD app. You'll do a banded good morning. Record your reps and your times, just like that, or if you have, so we can all see what you did. A PVC pipe, you can put the pipe on your back and do a good morning, or we could do Superman's on the ground for 10 reps every minute.